Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 on my yard. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Trying to go on, you're lying. I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't.
It's been a minute since I filmed. The last time I filmed was probably like the ending of university, like the last few days. Today is the PA ball. Woo! Gonna get a woo! I'm screaming. Anyways, I'm actually so excited because look how cute I look. I got my hair did, got an install. I'm in the process of doing my makeup, that's why I look so crazy. And I just remembered to film, but yeah. Alexa, what's the time?
It's 2:26.
It's 2:26. I'm aiming to finish my makeup by 4ish, a bit before 4, because I'm going to meet Lav for just like pre-vibes, pictures, whatnot, so we can go together. And then yeah, I'm so excited. I hope it's good. I have a dress, it's from Opoly, it's a long sleeve dress, and it's like black and it's long, and I don't know if I like it that much. I don't think I'm feeling it, but it's the only option I had, and my hair is gonna look cute, my face is gonna look cute, so it doesn't even matter. It's just gonna be a vibe. But I thought I'd film the day. I don't know how much I'll get to filming. Oh, my battery's low. I don't know how much I'll get to filming if I bring out my camera at the ball. I don't know if I'll do that, but we'll see if I do. But I'll film when I'm fully ready. Okay, hey guys, so I got ready. I'm with Lavon now. Look how pretty she looks.
Okay, thank you.
Gorgeous. And we're getting ready. I came to Lavon's house for praise. We're getting ready together and we're leaving together. Look how pretty I look. Oh my god. I don't know if I'll film properly tonight, but I don't know if I'll film tonight, but I might try to. But anyways, this is the outfit, and this is a face. So cute. And look at the one again. Prettiest girly ever. How are you enjoying the ball?
Chicken was a bit light. Yeah, it was a big mess.
Really?
At least we didn't eat hula hoops a bit like Babby did.
True. No, I ate hula hoops. This chicken was a bit dry still.
I like your back.
It was a bit dry. So I had to eat some chicken with it. It wasn't. Very dry. Really? Oh.